Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. So guys, let's continue our journey with the Great British Pound. Although, as you can see, we have approximately similar setup on different currencies. On the euro currency as well, we have the double repo is forming. On the dollar index, the 4-hour time frame chart, we also have the double repo buy. But personally, compared to euro currency in particular, the situation on the Great British Pound looks a bit more attractive. Because on the daily chart, as you can see, market stands precisely at the targets, and both targets coincide in a narrow area. Also, market is overbought on daily chart. On the euro currency, it's a bit different story because the butterfly target stands higher than the OP of the ABCD pattern, and the OP already has been passed. But euro currency has different advantage, so it stands at overbought as on the daily as on the weekly chart. So choose what you like more, but in my opinion, the picture on the Great British Pound looks better. And on intraday chart, the thrust looks better than on the euro currency. And usually, Great British Pound is more volatile compared to euro currency. It potentially could give you better result. So, what target market could reach if retracement indeed will start? I think that at minimum, at least target could be somewhere around 36.20, 36.35 area. Why? Because this is, as you can see, this will be confidence support. I don't have the fib levels from these lows to these tops, but you can see that the low coincides almost with the 618 level of this action, of this swing, and that's why the 618 fib support from this low to this top will coincide with the 38 of that one. So here also will be confidence. Also, guys, take a look. This will be weekly pivot point, and previous top stands in the same area. So that should be enough for retracement. I think that's for a very good potential target that could be reached if indeed we will get this bounce on Great British Pound. At the same time, guys, as I said yesterday, I think that retracement probably will be temporal, mostly because of the speed and of the thrusting action. So it's really very fast in the recent week. You can see this fast acceleration here, and usually when the butterfly is forming and you see this acceleration right to the 127 target, it very good chances that as minor respect to the first target will happen, market could proceed to the next target, and we know that the next target stands approximately in 140 area. In general, I put the big hopes on this butterfly on the Great British Pound, especially when it will reach the 140 area, because 140, 141, it could become the turning point on the Great British Pound because rather strong support, resistance. It will be yearly pivot resistance one, and mostly due to the fundamental factors from the not really very impressive situation in the United Kingdom economy, that could be a major reversal point on the British Pound. That's why overall situation on the cable is my stance of my particular interest. But in the short-term perspective, as I said, so let's keep watching what will happen. That probably will be the first destination point, the target that we could keep an eye on. Also, if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here is double repo is forming. It's where it looks perfect. You can see thrust top, close below the 3x3, close above and making the new top. That's very good sign for the double repo. Reversal down already has happened. Now we're just waiting when market will show the closing of this candle. As soon as this will happen, and if this will happen below the 3x3, the double repo will be confirmed. The classical target, according to the Judd Napoli framework of the double repo, stands usually the 50% of the thrusting action, at least. So it doesn't mean that market can't go lower, but usually the minimum target that should be hit on the double repo pattern is 136.46 at the 50% level. 50% support of the whole thrusting action, and actually let's take a look at 46 is very close to 36.20, so the same area around weekly pivot point. So pivot stand 36.42. This coincides with the target of the double repo on the 4-hour time frame chart. So you can see overall picture looks very, very attractive, very good. So just keep watching what will happen. And but what particular to trade, so you could choose by yourself. So if you like euro currency, you could deal with the euro currency. If you like dollar index, there we have the double repo buy. So it's in opposite direction. And you could trade the double repo buy there. So let's see. Some patterns almost ready. Let's just keep watching what will happen, how they will work.